Hey again. This is how you change colors on your basket, working with two different colors. So I have my basket started that I've shown you from the other two videos. Now I want to change in between yellow and I'm going to use this kind of like bluish gray color. I have one end tied loosely with just one knot because you want to be able to get it off to my needle. And then obviously the other end is loose, so I'm going to use that other end. Now, in order to do a pattern, you need to use at least two different colors. And the way we're going to do that, I just finished a figure eight, my two figure eights on here. So I'm going to wrap a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's probably good. So in order to change, I need to point my yellow thread down to the end of my coiling core. And then I'm going to take my second color, my bluish gray, and I'm going to point that end down as well. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to wrap over the top of this yellow one. The yellow one will now become part of the coiling core, and we're just going to wrap over the top of it with our second color, this bluish gray. So I have my yellow and my coiling core going to the right, and my blue I'm going to hold on my left side, just like before when I was wrapping. So again, the end of this is pointed down to the right. My yellow, my first color, is pointed down to the right. My coiling core is pointed to the right. I'm going to pinch it with my right hand, and now I'm going to go over it with my left hand to use my second color. Let's see, that was 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I probably will want to, and I'm going to go a little bit longer before I do my figure eight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I'm about to the spot where I'm going to want to do a figure eight there. Now you can see that my bluish gray is covering over the top of my yellow, and my yellow is going along with my coiling core. So in order to change in between them, I could just lay my blue one back down, and I could put my yellow one over the top of it if I wanted. And all I do is I lay my blue one down, and I'm going to wrap with my yellow one. And then if I wanted to change back to my blue, I would do the same thing. Lay that yellow one down, wrap over with my blue. Now obviously you're going to need to do some figure eights because you don't want to go that long without doing it. But you can see how I've created a color change there. So, and typically when you do color changes, you want to make sure to make a precise pattern, you're going to use the same amount of wraps. So I would maybe wrap 5 times with one color, wrap 5 times with the other, wrap 5 times with the first color, and so on. You still need to do your figure eights when you're changing colors. So if I was going to do my figure eight, I have my blue one, I'm going to lay this down, I would do the figure eight with my blue. Okay, attach it there, and then I could just keep on going. So that's how you change colors.